embark on a digital stewardship journey across the Asia Pacific, beginning right here in the Maldives.
UNDP Maldives is hosting Digital Stewards Gathering in partnership with UNDP Asia Pacific and Islamic Development Bank.
Digital Stewards Gathering is part of the United Nations Development Programme Asia Pacific and Islamic Development Bank's regional partnership, aligning UNDP's Regional Digital Transformation Service Offer and ISDB's Digital Inclusion Strategy. It aims to support governments and other digital ecosystem stakeholders with a digital stewardship journey. This is a journey that focuses on building capabilities across stakeholders to co-design scalable projects using digital and data-driven approaches for enabling efficient public service delivery.
What we are seeing is that for this initiative is to support the ambition and the demand that many governments in the region have to make digitalization, but also digital transformation more relevant for people, to really show how it can respond to people demand, how to address, it can address better people needs.
The digitalization is very important for all the countries, especially for delivering of the services from government to the people and society.
Policymakers and stakeholders from 7 ISDB countries were gathered here, including Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Brunei, Indonesia, Malaysia, Pakistan, and the Maldives.
I've learned lots of things here. I learned from other people's, other countries' experience in the digitalization project and also the development of their policy. It's really interesting, and I hope I can bring something to my country.
Government of Maldives commended efforts of UNDP and ISDB stakeholders in advancing the Regional Digital Transformation Service Offer and highlighted this as an opportunity for participants to practically adopt knowledge and networks needed to drive sustainable development within their countries.
I think this workshop for the Maldives is very important because it brings together international experience from across the world, and this is an opportune time for this. I think the workshop is of value because for me it's opened my eye to the world of possibilities, including the way that international donor agencies think.
The UNDP ISDB supported gathering served as a platform for collaboration, knowledge exchange, and designing initiatives to advance digital inclusion across the Asia-Pacific region.
We see the potentiality, particularly within the umbrella of ISDB digital strategy, particularly in terms of digital connectivity, mainstreaming, and skill development for the communities here in Maldives. Moving forward, this is the potentiality that where the SDG localization can be further enhanced here in the Maldives.
So it was very important for us to bring this regional workshop in Maldives. Maldives has been one of those countries in the region that has most benefit from the application of digital tools for governance, but also because people do meet through digital tools online from the dispersed islands that are distributed across this nation. So having had the possibility to exchange knowledge with countries brought here from the part of the region has been an invaluable asset for us in order to be able to push forward a real digital transformation that Maldives is worth of. There is a massive potential in Maldives, and UNDP is very proud to partner with the Islamic Development Bank to push this agenda forward.
A lot of pockets of excellence that are emerging from one country to another. And many governments and ecosystems are getting better at certain parts of digital transformation. But I think there is a strong demand, I would say even hunger, for cross-regional learning and cross-regional collaboration between the governments in the region. So this is something that we are trying to spearhead as not a one-off, but as a continuous journey.
In the workshop that we're having with UNDP and Islamic Development Bank, we're capturing the essence of the changes that we have done in Bangladesh, contributing the House and the Wise to this digital stewardship journey that will be, I think, quite useful for many countries in the same boat as Bangladesh, perhaps a little ahead of Bangladesh or maybe a little behind of Bangladesh, but we're in the same shared journey of building digital maturity for our citizens.
Always great when like-minded partners meet, work together and strike amazing collaboration.
ISDB's support enriched discussions, particularly with the presentation of the ISDB Digital Inclusion Operational Strategy 2024 to 2027. Together, we aim to strengthen engagement, foster inclusive processes, and catalyze digital foundations for future-ready public institutions and services. Because when we collaborate, progress knows no bounds.